I'm also out here with this beautiful lady. Come on. No, say something. Come on. Just say something. Say something, Keisha. Say something. How do you like it here? It's beautiful. And so far, which places have you visited?
Madrid.
Madrid? Yeah, guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm out here in Spain, at the heart of Spain in Madrid, and we are out here at the Palace, King's Palace. So yeah, it's fun being out here. There's a lot more to see, and yeah, Spain is such a beautiful country with nice people. Yeah, their culture, their food, their cuisine is just amazing. So if you're gonna visit Spain, yeah, there's a lot of things to see. All right.
Like, let me not here take a video because I don't like this part.
and I'm also out here with this beautiful lady. Come on. No, say something. Come on. Just say something. Say something, Keisha. Say something. How do you like it here? It's beautiful. And so far, which places have you visited?
Madrid.
Madrid? Are you thinking of visiting more places? Oh.
Yes.
All right, that's cool. This is your first day out here in Madrid?
Yeah. I'm still in my first 24-hour window. I'm in my first 12-hour window.
Where are you from? Which country are you from?
United States.
United States. Okay. All right.
Enough game.
Oh.